Sabri.
Arzu, stay on with us. More breaking news coming in where actor Akshay Kumar has reached Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh to attend the Mahakumbh Mela. The actor was dressed in a plain and simple white kurta pajama as he made his way down the ghat through the crowd into the water. Akshay, in fact, was there on the ground with folded hands before getting up and walking into the water to take the Shahi Snan in the Triveni Sangam, the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna and mystical Saraswati rivers. Take a listen to what he said.
बहुत ही मजा आया, बहुत बढ़िया इंतजाम है, बहुत अच्छी तरह मतलब हम यहाँ के सीएम साहब योगी साहब का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करते हैं कि इतना अच्छा इंतजाम कर रखा है। मुझे अभी भी याद है 2019 में जब पिछला कुंभ हुआ था तो लोग गठरी लेके आते थे। अब तो इस वक्त तो सब बड़े बड़े लोग आ रहे हैं, अंबानी आ रहे हैं, अडानी आ रहे हैं, बड़े बड़े एक्टर आ रहे हैं, सब आ रहे हैं। तो ये इसे कहते हैं मतलब किस हिसाब से महाकुंभ ये इंतजाम किया हुआ है, ये बहुत ही बढ़िया है। और मैं सारे ही जितने भी पुलिस वाले हैं, जितने भी वर्कर हैं, जिन्होंने सबका इतना ध्यान रखा है, उनका हाथ जोड़ के बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Arzu on the telecast with me. Arzu, of course, actor Akshay Kumar has now taken the Shahi Snan. He's also issued a statement and he's just stating the fact that he's very happy to be there. Many actors have gone there. Now, of course, we're talking about him. Take our viewers to the details.
Well, yes, the number has crossed to 60 crore. Over 60 crore people have visited the Mahakumbh and taken a holy bath. And now the Akshay Kumar, the known actor, has also taken a holy dip in the Triveni Sangam. And he, in fact, appreciated the arrangement that the Uttar Pradesh government has made, and also thanked the government for making such arrangements, because we can clearly see, from every walks of life, the people are coming to the Mahakumbh to be the part of it and to celebrate the India's historic culture. And also he in fact thanked the workers who are working there, the police personnel who are working there 24/7 for the people who are coming there to provide them all the security and the facilities. So yes, a massive arrangement for the Mahakumbh that is being done, and for that he thanked the government for making all those arrangements. He in fact compared the Mahakumbh of 2019 to 2020-25 and said that there has been a lot of change that he witnessed this time, and also said that the people, whether it's Adani, Ambani, all are coming here to take a holy dip. The big actors are coming to be the part of the Mahakumbh, and he himself today wearing a white color pajama kurta, which is very simple and traditional. In a traditional way, he took a holy dip in the Triveni Sangam and also saw the culture and the heritage, rich heritage at the Mahakumbh. Yes, Sabri.
Absolutely. Arju, thank you for sharing all those details with us. We're going to leave it there and shift our focus to some more news coming in, where the battle